welcome to my YouTube. This is Tina from ursneaker. Today I'm going to do this review for this new colorways of Yeezy Boost 380s. So here I have took the sneakers out of the box. Let's check it for the details together. From the toe cap piece, let's check it here. So you can check the upper designs is like this. Yeah. It's knitted mesh as well with different patterns on the upper, and you got a stitching on the vamp to the collars here, right? Yeah, this is the new patterns. It only released 3,000 pairs for the first batch. So this is the lateral side. You can check different materials on the different part here, right? Okay, and near this collar, that is the strengthable knitted mesh here. Okay, let's move to the back counter. This back counter you can check here. Yeah, these are the collar bindings, and on the top of it, this is the TPU, the materials that here embossed on it, and this is the stitching patterns here, and this is the medial side. Yeah, check here the patterns here, and check the mesos here, the mesos, because the materials of this meso that is a little bit translucent, so you'll find that yeah, the finish of it on the mesos is like this. Okay, and this is the bottom patterns. This is the real Boost materials, and you got Boost words on it, so you can have a close review. Boost here. Okay, and the patterns of this also template is like this. Let's check another piece here. And this is the lateral side back counter. This is medial side here, and vamp. You can check the printed logos on the sock liners here. Okay, and this is the also, and the box of this 380 is like this. One side is with the Boost words, and the other side is print here, blank. Okay, so these are the total review for this Yeezy Boost 380. If you want to get more details about it, just contact with us. Okay, see you next video. Bye.